Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Kawasaki Z900. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Kawasaki Z900 with 1,437 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with Nightcat tank pads. Powered by a 948cc 4-cylinder engine, the Z900 puts 111 horsepower and 72 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Z900 has a 170 to 200-mile range. It has a 32.3-inch seat height and a 476-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine, a scratch on the rider foot peg, a scratch on the bar end, scratch on the upper fairing, and a scratch on the side fairing. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program and received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and a continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.